Hello kids, welcome to Kids Learn. Today we will learn about modes of transport. They are divided into three types: land transport, water transport, air transport. Let's first see about land transportation. It is the transportation of people or goods on roads with help of different road transport vehicles. It is the most common mode of transport that we use. Different types of vehicles are used depending on distance to travel. Bicycle. It has two wheels. We ride it with the use of pedals. Cycling is a good form of exercise. Scooter. It has two wheels. It is most commonly used to travel for short distance. Motorbike. It has two wheels. It runs on fuel. Two people can travel on bike from one place to other. Car. Car has four wheels. It is the popular mode of transport for a family. Bus. It carries many people at same time to their school or to their workplaces. Truck. Truck covers long distances and carry heavy goods. Pickup truck. It also helps in transportation of heavy goods. Train. It carry people from one place to other over long distance. It also helps in transporting goods. Water transport. It is the transportation of people or goods on bodies of water such as river, ocean, etc. It is the cheapest and oldest mode of transportation. Boat. It is mostly used in shallow water by a fisherman. Sailboat. It moves with the help of wind. Cruise ship. They are very big ships. They carry people over long distance from one place to another. Cargo ship. It carry heavy goods over long distance. Jet ski. People use it as an adventure activity around the coast. Submarine. It travels under the water. Air transport. It is the transportation of people or goods by air transport vehicles. Today, all the countries in the world are well connected by air transport. We can go from one country to another in less time. Airplane. Airplanes are very big. They are used for long distance travel around the world. It carries many people at one time. Helicopter. It is one of the fastest mode of air transport. Few people can travel for a short distance. Hot air balloon. They carry few people for short distance. It uses gas to fly in the sky. They are very bright and beautiful. Rocket. They are super fast. Astronauts use them to go into the space. Hey kids, thanks for watching Kids Learn. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye.